I wear high-waisted mom jeans because first, they are on trend. Second, that no matter how much fat I'm eating, they are going to conceal my tummy. If you are somebody like that, then keep on watching till the end. What's up, beautiful people? I hope you guys are doing amazing, and in case you're seeing this face for the first time, you can call me Tani.
Tell you about the Mera link. This link is down in my description box, so when you open it you will see this type of an interface. You will see all the beauty products, beauty appliances, clothing items all lined up like this. You can directly purchase from here, or you can also search separately. Like I'm going to search for sunscreen over here, and you can see such affordable options to such high-end products are available. Like this one is the one that I have recently purchased, so you can go and get your hands on them. And not only that, you can search for anything at all you like. For example, home decor, home appliances, gifts, skincare, anything at all.
Yeah, I'm wearing this really cute oversized tee which has lips which are bigger than mine. Obviously, I am pretty excited about this haul because obviously you guys want to know about it, and you guys have been asking me to make more and more jeans hauls, and that's why I got it over here. But I'm also excited because I got all of these from Myntra, and they are all at just rupees 799, which is a very good price for a jeans. Like, wow. So the first jeans that I have over here is obviously from Sassafras. Like, Sassafras is such a tongue twister, guys. It has these really cool neon green pockets, and also it is like a dark blue color, like kind of an acid type of effect is also there. Like, it's not complete solid blue. So this is a mom jeans which is like wide over here around the thighs, and then it comes down to be narrower and narrower just like this. It has absolutely cool pockets, like green, solid green intact pockets over here, like both the sides, and it's not on the back actually, but that's completely fine. We also have these green strips over here through which you like pass your belt, so it's over here also and at the back as well. This is the feature which has like literally taken away my whole attention, and it's literally so cool. Like, the whole look of it is very cool, very trendy and very different. Not only that, the comfort level is amazing because you have elastic at the back. This is kind of a ankle length style, like a little longer than ankle length, but I like to fold it and wear it, so I got it in the size M. It is completely true to size. You can definitely go for your size. The material is pretty good. It's not very stretchable, but I kind of like, I like it. Like, it's very comfortable for the skin. Next up is this really beautiful lavender color jeans, and yeah, the color sold me, guys. The color sold me this jeans for sure. You can see this is again a kind of a mom jeans effect over here. So you have this stitching over here. You can see like stitching over here, here and here and here, and then you have these elastic at the back again, which is super comfortable to take up. The original price for this one was 1800, and I got it for 799 again. It's really not in a jeans material, to be honest. It's kind of a blended cotton material plus polyester. I was very happy that they give elastic for this kind of material as well. And you can see the whole look. It's kind of an ankle length, and then you have this one folded over here. In fact, it is slightly above the ankle as well. Also, guys, you can wear it as a casual jeans and also for formals because it gives a very clean cut, a very nice silhouette. One important thing, guys, that the material is not at all stretchy. So I was thinking that if you have like very thick thighs, then you can maybe size up a little bit. I have got my own size which kind of fits me properly, but around the thigh area it's not tight. But if I feel like if you have very heavy thighs, then please size up a little bit. here is a black jeans, which is again from Sassafras. One was for 2000 again, but I got it for 799. I got my size medium in this as well. You do not have to size up or down. It is absolutely the apt size. This is the freaking cool jeans. We have a black jeans which has this stitching on top, a white stitching on top. Absolutely, I love this style. I have been looking for this style on Urbanic. I got a few of them, but they were actually pretty more pricier than what you see right now. It comes like this with this really nice hemline over here as well, so it's kind of a toned hemline. With this type of a button, you can you have to press it and it gets done. Also, it has a back pocket which also has stitching like this. Very awesome. Again, it comes with a elastic which is super comfortable to take it up. It's like a wide leg jeans. This is not exactly a mom jeans, almost like a straight cut white leg jeans, which is real that you saw for the lavender color jeans. The material is just same like that. It's kind of cotton blended. It's not exactly like the jeans material. It does not have a lot of stretch, but it's very cool, very light material. Like, the moment I wore it, I was not feeling like I'm wearing something. Next up is this jeans from Sassafras or S again, and this one is again for 2000 bucks, but I got it for 799. And this one is kind of a blue jeans which has this very nice stitching over here, kind of wide over here, and it gets narrower and narrower down, and you have this beautiful cut in the bottom which makes the whole difference to this jeans. This cut over here is literally everything. So this line stitching is something very different which you don't really see in a lot of jeans. Again, it comes with this nice comfortable elastic at the back. You have two pockets over here, two pockets in the back. It comes in this medium blue kind of color. The material of this one is very nice. Like, it's way thicker than the other jeans that I told. I got this in my waist size 28, which is absolutely apt for my size, and you do not have to size down or size up. This is absolutely good for casuals, but if you style it with a blazer, my god. Like, also in the picture the model is styling it with a blazer, and I'm loving the way it looks with the blazer. Like, okay guys, so that's a wrap for this video. We have this much jeans for this video as of now. I'm going to come up with more and more haul videos, so do not forget to comment down below what you want to see next, because I really look forward to your comments and I'm going to reply to all of them, as you guys already know. If you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and then subscribe, and then also do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account, because I have been creating so much content over there. I'm sure you guys are going to love it over there as well. It's going to be really aesthetic. So do check me out on my Instagram account, and I hope you guys found this video helpful and you got all the details so that you can do your purchases very soon. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Tata, bye bye.